So sitting down and helping somebody come up with their own Venn diagram based on what do they love doing, what are they gifted at, and what do they value most?
That's essentially it.
And
But
then those 3 things, what's the common denominator? Because all 3 circles match up, and then that center is what they need to be working on?
yes, and here's why. So here's why. Most marketing models, although that is changing now, most marketing models work on what you're going to sell and how you're going to sell it. And if you're mission led, like I'm sure many of your ladies and your audience are, if you're mission led, heart led, you will already be strongly connected to your why, your purpose, your soul purpose. But this worked. I take it back one level further, reverse engineer it one more level to who you truly are. And most people can't articulate who they truly are because they always answer, who are you, with the role that they have, the identity that they have. And this allows you to articulate who you truly are. And when you can do that, that is, it's dynamite. It really is the secret of manifestation. You know, the great I am that is the way that you manifest. And this tool, because it's a tool, I call it a tool, allows you to find that. So you can step into the person that you've always dreamed of being, the life that you've always dreamed of living, and there's no more striving. You become it. That there is no getting to it. And I realized, Sabrina, that all of the adventures and misadventures that I had in my life came to support that truth. Is every single time that I set my heart on doing something, coming to France, doing horse dancing, it was I put myself into a position where I was just doing it. I wasn't going to think about how to do it, or if I needed to get some more money to do it, or go to a different place. I just did it. So this beautiful tool allows you to be as successful, as abundant, as, you know, whatever your desire is, from a vibrational point of view, from a being point of view, because that is the truth of who we are. Everything that we dream of is who we truly are. It isn't a yearning that we want. It's, you know, desires are there as signposts to reveal to us the truth of who we are.
Totally makes sense.